Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the GoalSeek tool in Excel. The GoalSeek tool is a tool in Excel that allows us to adjust a value that provides input to a formula by specifying a desired value or result in that formula. To explain that a bit, let's take a look at this problem over here. So this is a PMT problem or PMT means, let's say, an amortization or regular payments to a loan. Okay. So we are given these inputs here to be able to compute for, let's say, the monthly payment for a loan. We're borrowing $10,000 at the rate of 2% per year or per annum. And we're going to pay for this loan for 24 months. So how do we all these items here in column B, B2, B3, and B4, they are inputs to a formula, and that formula is what we're going to be using here for monthly payment. So before we use GoalSeek, let's compute for the payment first. Okay, so I'm going to place my cell pointer here at B5 and compute for the monthly payment. To do that, I'm going to click this button here, the function button. That opens the function button, the function dialog box right here. I will be using the payment formula or function. You can actually type in here PMT if you want. So there I type PMT and click go, and then there's PMT. So I'm going to use the PMT function, click OK, and here's the dialog box. So I will just fill in the parameters in here for the function. First, it's asking me for the rate. The rate is obviously this amount over here, 2%. And since I want to express this rate, this rate is per annum or per year. I want to express this in months. So I'm just going to divide it slash 12. So there, as you can see, I typed slash 12 to divide B3 by 12. So our rate is divided by 12. The number of periods or the number of months for which we will be paying for this loan is 24 months. So I don't need to make any adjustments here because 24 is already in months. The present value is the loan amount, which is this one, $10,000. Yeah, and I don't think I have to fill in the other parameters right here. I think that is enough. And I'll click OK right here. Let's see, just click OK. And now I get an amount which is $425.40. This is actually a negative number because you see it's in red and it's encircled by parentheses. So that's a negative number because this is money going out or money that we are paying, okay, to the bank for this $10,000 loan. Okay, so we're paying this amount for 24 months every month at 2% interest per annum or per year, and we're paying for this $10,000 loan. That's the problem. So we're paying $425.40. Let's say I can't afford that, and I can only afford $350 to pay for this loan every month. So we can make these little changes over here in our months, perhaps. And so this is an input to this formula, and this is an input to this formula. Even the rate is an input to this formula. So by using GoalSeek, we can make adjustments to any of these parameters of the formula to achieve a particular value that we would like to set. And that value is $350, right? Or negative $350. So let's use GoalSeek now. I'm going to go to Data, What If Analysis, and GoalSeek there. So it asks us, let me just zoom in over here. It's asking us what We want to set a particular cell, and I'm going to use this cell right here, our target cell B5, which is the monthly payment. I want to set it to minus or negative $350. Okay, so there it is, right? Minus $350 by changing what cell? So let's say I want to adjust this number of months right here. I want to make a change here in order for me to reach $350 or negative $350. I'll click OK. So there we arrived at the solution. As you can see, we'll have to spend about 29 months or a little more, 29 months to pay for this loan. So it's a little longer than the 24 months. That could be a solution, right? We'll pay for a longer time for this $10,000 loan. Okay, that's one solution. Okay, I'm just going to click cancel here to go back to the original setting. And then I'm going to use goal seek in a different way. This time I'm going to modify or to change the value over here, make adjustment in my loan amount. If I can only afford $350 to pay for the loan, then how much can I borrow, right? I'm not going to change the number of months, let's say. So I'm going to go back to goal seek. What if analysis, goal seek, and I want to set the cell, this one here, for the $425.40 in B5. So let me just zoom in again. So I want to set that cell to negative or minus 350. There you go. So I typed in minus 350 or negative 350. And I want to reach that amount for this cell by changing what cell? I want to change the loan amount. So that means how much can I borrow if I can only afford to pay 350 a month? I'll click OK. There it is. We arrived at the solution. We can pay only $350 a month for 24 months at 2% per annum. And the amount that we can borrow is $8,227.50. So that's another solution. So I hope this examples or these examples of the use of GoalSeek will help us start with this what if analysis tool. And I hope this is going to be useful for you. Thank you so much and have a great day.